Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever wondered if you could convert your old traditional 401k into a Roth IRA? Many people consider this for the incredible benefit of tax-free withdrawals in retirement, which can be a huge advantage. It's a smart strategy, especially if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket down the road, making your retirement income truly untouchable by taxes. Today, we'll explore exactly how this exciting financial process works. The most straightforward way to move your funds is through a direct rollover. Your 401k provider sends the money directly to your Roth IRA account. You won't even touch the funds yourself. An indirect rollover, where you receive a check, is also possible, but it comes with a strict 60-day deadline. We highly recommend the direct approach for peace of mind. When you convert a traditional 401k to a Roth IRA, you'll need to pay taxes on the converted amount. This means it becomes taxable income in the year of conversion. Plan for this, as it could affect your tax bracket. Also, remember the Roth IRA's 5-year rule. Your contributions and conversions need to age properly for tax-free withdrawals. Starting this process is quite simple. First, make sure you have an active Roth IRA account. If not, open one with your preferred brokerage. Next, reach out to your 401k plan administrator. Tell them you want to initiate a direct rollover of your funds into your Roth IRA. They'll guide you through their specific paperwork. A Roth conversion could be a powerful move, especially if you believe you'll be in a higher tax bracket later in life. It's also great if you have liquid funds to cover the taxes due on the conversion. However, remember that every financial situation is unique. It's always wise to consult with a qualified financial advisor to ensure this is the best path for your future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.